The station with the best music. Best music.
I love the music.
Best music.
In your face. All over the place. We're online 24/7. 24/7. You're listening to the hottest internet station.
You are listening to Volksrust Online Radio.
Blazing the steel. Bring the heat. Mix it non-stop. With the hottest DJ.
Sinibingelele nje Dr. Pixley Isaac Asemo uhlukana kwaye sinibingelele eVakastrom esigodini ke samfoka amahlekihleki benokuthela umsahlophe linjani kodwa nisaphila. Sinibingelele ke lapha yana eDagakral kwesikamamzanele isigodi nomhlonishwa ke uSunday benemoyeni singakhohlwa ke inkokheli uzuka noZondo sike saxoxisana nabo ke bukhoma la emsakazweni be representing movement called Community of Dagakral nakhona ke lapho ninjani nisaphila. Sankhohlwa kanjani ke lapha endaweni yasePerde Kops inibingeleleke nje kwesikamfoka nzima ubonga singakhohlwa ke inkokheli uMandla Nkosi sehle njalo sibingelele nomhlonishwa ke umama weni sithi nje kinonke good morning. Singakhohlwa kanjani ke lapha endaweni yaseAmasfort kwesikamfoka Mangaliso isigodi singakhohlwa abahlonishwa Honorable Thwala othihla Shabangu konakeleke namuhla lapha endaweni yaseAmasfort sikhuluma nje nathi CVOR masiphuma la sibheke khona namuhla kuzobe kudedela okudela uMakhasana lapha yana as umayor weGersibande elethe itournament namuhla lapha endaweni yaseAmasfort. Sikamkhohlwa kanjani ke khona la ekhaya endaweni yaseForest evuza ke sithi nje good morning sizongena ke engomeni bese ke masibuya sinipha ama announcement esiwaphethe for namhlanje. If you are just tuned in, you are tuned in to Focus Online Radio. Uhleli naye ke umfana wanankinga nje usakhile sakhe ingwenya owaziwa ngaka Mr Sounds of Soul.
Every occasion is meant for a special appearance. At Volksrust Deluxe Vehicles, we don't only sell cars. We do auto body part repair and car rentals. Call or WhatsApp 082 464 2340 082 464 2340. Make your appearance count.
You are listening to Volksrust Online Radio.
There's gonna be some stuff you're gonna see that's gonna make it hard to smile in the future. But through whatever you see, through all the rain and the pain, you gotta keep your sense of humor. You gotta be able to smile through all this bullshit. Remember that. Yeah.
Pictures of actions be played back in the midst of mashing. No fairy tales for this young black male. Some see me stranded in this land of hell, jail and crack sales. Hustle and hardly think of culture or the repercussions while busting on backstabbing vultures. Selling my soul for material wishes, fast cars and bitches. Wishing I lived my life a legend, immortalized in pictures. Watch that tears say your sympathy. My childhood years were spent burying my peers in the cemetery. Here's a message to the newborns waiting to breathe. If you believe, then you can achieve. Just look at me, against all odds, though life is hard, we carry on. Living in the projects, broke with no lights on. To all the seas that follow me, protect your essence, born with less, but you still precious. Just smile for me now. Just smile for me now. Smile. Look at all Sam. Nigga, you black. Smile for me now. You ain't got nothing to be worried about. No doubt. Smile for me now. And the next generation. Now as I open up my story with the blaze of your blood, so you can picture thoughts slowly upon phrases I run, and I can walk you through the days that are done. I often wish that I could save everyone, but I'm a dreamer. Have you ever seen a nigga who was strong in the game, overlooking his tomorrows, and it finally came? Look back on childhood for a reason, I'm still feeling the pain. Turning circles in my ninth grade to dealing cocaine. Too many houses in my local life, surviving the strain. And a man without a focus life could drive me insane. Stuck inside a ghetto fantasy, hoping it changed. But when I focus on reality, we broken and chained. Had a dream of living wealthy and making it big. Over football, chose to cook raw and taking it dig. And after all, my mama's thanking God for blessing a child. All my mama got to do now is collect it and smile. Smile. Furious speeds, unanswered questions keep us all stressing. Curious G, backstabbed and bleeding, crooked thoughts laced with weed. Learning, ducking straight shots, bullets be hot, they burning. Inhaling sherm smoke, visualize the flames. Well, I've been smothered by my own pain. Strange whispers, cowards conversate, so quick to distance. Taking pictures for the feds in desperate hopes they get us. Hit us all, give us plenty centuries, forgive my sins. Since I entered many penitentiaries, the best revenge is fuck friends. We military minded soldiers, busting shots blindly, trying to find Jehovah to help me. Somebody save me. Lost and crazy, scared to drop a seed, hoping I ain't curse my babies. Maybe now niggas feel me now, picture my pain, embrace my words, make the world change. And still I smile, nigga. And now a moment of silence. Let us pray. And as you journey into outer space, may the angels help to lead the way. May the prayers that our families made shine up on your soul and keep you safe. And all the homies that have passed away, they're there to greet you as you pass the gates. And as you head to the tunnel's light, I hope it leads to eternal life. We say a prayer for the homie Pop.
Sithole ngengoma emnandi kakhulu ebuya lapha na ku Scarface ethi Smile. Le ngoma ke sinomlando nje nayo kancane. I remember back in the days kusarayithwa ama CD. Afika ke lapha ngelinhlanga ke endlini uBuski. I think everyone knows him if ahlala evuku zakhe. uBuski wathi no khona ingoma engizoyifunda la. Funa ingoma ya Scarface featuring Tupac ethi Smile. Sayicinga ingoma sayicinga ingoma kwahamba I think kwahamba kwaphela inyanga sicingana nengoma e1 wathi hayi ngizobuya bafana mase nitholile ngaqala lapho ukuyazi ke lengoma le yeSmile thanks to uBuski for introducing us to such a wonderful and inspirational song. If usana ngena ke you are tuned into iFolkras Online Radio usahleli naye usakhile sakhi Ngwenya, well known as Mr Sounds of Soul. La sithi khona #iza nendlebe weekend drive la sikupha khona ke ama announcement sikuphe nje umculo omnandi sikupheke nama live chats la suke sixoxisana khona nama guest wethu osuku. But ke namhlanje I'm riding solo asinaye guest before nje ngizongena kuyimemezelo kunento engifuna siyibuke la but sizoxoxa ngayo mase sindlule kunazi imemezelo ke ukuhamba phambili kakhulu ke ina inkinga nje esibhekene nayo. Umkhandlu usazisa umphakathi wonke wasesema ukuthi kunokuphazamiseka kwamanzi almost onke amathani amanzi ethu ehlile due to load shedding. Lokhu ke kuletha ke ukuphazamiseka ekuphakeleni noma ekuhlinzekeni umphakathi ngamanzi. Kodwa ke abaka water and sanitation basithembisile ukuthi manje kuseni isimo sizobe sesingcono. So ungathuki ke mawubona ngathi mhlambe amanzi ayaciciza o aphuma kancane bebabhekana nayo leyo nkinga ke due to load shedding ukuthi ke amaphampu wabo azangakwazi ukuthi apompele kahle ama reservoir wethu ukuthi agcwale ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sibe namanzi ke anele. Okunye ke namhlanje iGSDM Minerals Super Cup 2022 umdlalo ke lo ohlelwe ke iGSDM Mayoral kusho ukuthi ke umeya wethu ole eGerdi Sibande uhleleke lo mdlalo ke endaweni yase Amersfoort Sport Field isikhathi kusukela manje ngo8 o'clock up until 4 lapho ke sizobe zibulalana khona ke be there or be told. Nathi ke somsakazi sizobe sikhona bukhoma CVOR from ngo 11 o'clock khona lapha na ke endaweni yase Amersfoort. Mawungakatholi ke kahle umlayezo esindlulisela wona inkinga yokuqala amanzi kodwa ke ithimba lisithembisela ukuthi isimo sizobe sesibuyele kwesijwayelekile manje ekseni ezibasebenze ngokuyikhandla ubusuku bonke ukuthi bazame ukuthi bapompele ama reservoir amanzi ukuze sizohlinzeka kahle ngamanzi anele. Siyacela ukuthi ke ungabe sosusa umsindo uthi issue yamanzi sinibikele somsakazo ukuthi cha inkinga ibe khona futhi idalwe load shedding ebeyiphazamisa amapampu ukuthi akwazi ukuthi apompele ama reservoir amanzi. Esingidlulisayo ke futhi kakhulu iGSDM Mineral Super Cup elapha endaweni yase Amersfoort Sport Field isikhathi ke from ngo8 up until 4 o'clock lapho ke zizobe zibulalana khona be there or be told. Nathi ke somsakazo sobe sikhona lapha from go 11 o'clock. If you are just tuned in, you are tuned into iFolkras Online Radio. Sahleli naye ke usakhile sakhe Ngwenya, well known as Mr Sounds of Soul.
You are listening to Volkswagen Online Radio.
Shorty, I know what you need. I got everything you need. I promise I ain't gonna hold out, nigga. I'm gonna give it all to you, baby. Swear bond. Bust it. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want. You know I got it, baby. If you give it to me, I'll give it to you. As long as you want, you know I got it.
Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want. You know I got it, baby. If you give it to me, I'll give it to you. As long as you want.
We've been together for a few years, shed a few tears, called each other nicknames like Sugar Plum and Pooh Bear. I'm always on the road, hardly ever home, always busy this, busy that, can't talk on the phone. I know you aggravated, walk around frustrated, patience getting short, how longer can you tolerate it? Listen ma, I'm just motivated, I do this for us, stuck on the grind, trying to elevate it.
Hey yo, to really be honest, you stuck with me through my whole struggle, can't even express through words how much the kid loves you. I'ma stand as a man, never above you. I could tell that you different from most, slightly approach you in the ill. About it, we don't sex every day, but when we sex, we tease in a passionate way. Love the way you touch it, those little elaborate ways. Got the guard feeling released to relax for the day. It's on you,
baby,
ma.
If you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want. You know I got it, baby. If you give it to me, I'll give it to you. As long as you want, you know I got it.
Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want, you know I got it. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. As long as you want.
Shh, mommy, listen. I feel your love for me, baby, and how it moved through you. I've been longing for the moment to talk the truth to you. Listen, I'm never home, I always get up and go, putting you through the unnecessary rigmarole. I never meant to put 1,000 pounds of stress on your head. I love the way we sleep and how we always cuddle in bed. Baby, I stay embracing your patience, shedding your tears with me. I ask you, my mommy, please continue to bear with me.
We started out broke, constantly on the road, cutting up in the streets like we would never get old. Went from Lucy's and buses and 50-cent sodas and Novas to Hondas to Lexus to Rovers. Mad years past, still got each other back. Word is born, never screw nothing. Industry cats, boy, we like Skull and Molder, walking shoulder to shoulder, milking this game, watching our seeds getting older.
Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want, you know I got it. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. As long as you want, you know I got it.
Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want, you know I got it. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. As long as you want, you know I got it.
Yes, you know I'll die for you, and you know I'll ride with you. I will always try with you, and give you my love and cry with you. Let's go.
I will climb a mountain high until our love will touch the sky. So baby, come and get more close to me. This is where your love is supposed to be.
I pull up to the house in the yellow Lamborghini. It's been a few months in PA, you haven't seen me. You looking good in that Gucci bikini. 38 carats, your ring looking freezy. No matter what I do in the world, you never leave me. Fall back, ma, I make your lifestyle easy. I appreciate the things you do to please me. Looking at my daughter, you never do me greasy.
Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want, you know I got it. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. As long as you want, you know I got it.
Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want, you know I got it. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. As long as you want, you know I got it.
Flip Mode Records, J Records, Def Jam Records, Busta Rhymes, Mariah, Flip Mode Squad. Yeah, so beautiful. I knew you was gonna give me that high note, Mariah. Yeah.
Turn them over.
When it comes to being true, at least true to
That's
me.
right. That's what I do. Come on.
One thing I found, one thing I found. Oh no, you never let me down.
I ain't never let you down. Get up, I get. Get up, I get. Get up, I get. Yeah. Yo, first I snatched the streets, then I snatched the charts. First I had their ear, now I have their heart. Rappers came and went, I've been here from the start.
Get up, I get. Get up, I get. Get up, I get. Get up, I get down for my grandfather who took my mama, made her sit in that seat where white folks ain't want us to eat. At the tender age of 6, she was arrested for the sit-ins. And with that in my blood, I was born to be different. Now niggas can't make it to balance to choose leadership, but we can make it to Jacobs or to the dealership.
One thing I found, one thing I found. Oh no, you never let me down.
Get up, I get. 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 Get up, I get down.
We are all here for a reason on a particular path. You don't need a curriculum to know that you are part of the math. Cats think I'm delirious, but I'm so damn serious. That's why I expose my soul to the globe, the world. I'm trying to make it better for these little boys and girls. I'm not just another individual. My spirit is a part of this, that's why I get spiritual. But I get my hymns from him, so it's not me, it's he that's lyrical. I'm not a miracle, I'm a heaven-sent instrument. My rhythmic regiment navigates melodic notes for your soul or your mental. That's why I'm instrumental. Vibrations is what I'm into. Yeah, I need my Luba Rende, but that ain't what gives me the heart of Kunta Kinte. I'm trying to give us free like Sinke. I can't stop, that's why I'm hot. Determination, dedication, motivation. I'm talking to you and my many inspirations. When I say that I can't let you or self down. If I were on the highest cliff, on the highest rift, and you slipped off the side and clinched onto your life in my grip, I would never, ever let you down. And when these words are found, let it be known that God's penmanship has been signed with a language called love. That's why my breath is felt by the deaf, and why my words are heard and confined to the ears of the blind. I too dream in color and in rhyme, so I guess I'm one of a kind in a full house. Cause whenever I open my heart, my soul, or my mouth, a touch of God rains out.
Take them to church. Get up, I 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 get down.
No, man, hot this long. Started from nothing, but he got this strong. Threw the rock from a pebble, pedal rock before I met you. Pedal bikes, got my nephews pedal bikes because they special. Let you tell it, man, I'm falling well. Somebody must have called him, cause every fourth quarter, I like the Mike Jordan them. #1 albums, what I got like for them. More them on the way, the 8th wonder on the way. Clear the way, I'm here to stay. Y'all can say the chitter chat, this and that, this and Jay will get you maced. When I start spitting them lyrics, niggas get very religious. 6 Hail Marys, please, fathers, forgive us. Young, the Archbishop, the Pope John Paul, and y'all niggas, the way y'all all follow Jigga. Hove's a living legend, and I tell you why. Everybody wanna be Hove, and Hove's still alive.
Hottest DJ mixing the beats. Beats. Mixing the beats.
You are listening to Volksrust Online Radio.
Jordan Inf, this right here is crazy. Yeah, I feel big, you know what I mean? Like not big in the sense of weight, you know what I mean? Like gaining weight or nothing like that, like colossal, like, you know what I mean? Like, I heard you were looking for me.
Hey, Mr. Carter.
Hello.
Tell me where have you been?
You know.
They've been asking, they've been searching, they've been wondering why.
I know.
Hey, Mr. Carter.
Hey, hello.
Tell me where have you been?
Shit, you know.
They've been asking, they've been searching, they've been wondering why.
Yeah. To you forever, from me to you. I heard somebody say, Church, I'ma need a suit, I'ma need a coupe, I won't need a roof. Flyer than Beetlejuice. I got the flow, I'm trying to see the roof. Didn't wear bulletproof, so I got a shot and you can see the proof. Blind eyes can look at me and see the truth. Wonder if Stevie do, but I'ma leave it to God, not Beaver, neither you. Cause I'm a murder, why I kill and even you. Man, I got summer hating on me cause I'm hotter than the sun. Got spring hating on me cause I ain't never sprung. Winter hating on me cause I'm colder than y'all. And I would never fall. I'm being hated by the season, so fuck y'all hating for no reason.
Hey, Mr. Carter.
I am him.
Tell me where have you been?
Around the world and I'm back again.
Been asking, they've
Who's been asking about me? In case you wondering, him. Around the world, now I'm back again. Who's been asking about me? In case you wondering, yeah, I've been in and out the bank, bitch. While y'all asshole niggas been on the same shit. I flush them and watch them go down the drain quick. 2 words you never hear, Wayne quit. Cause Wayne win and they lose. I call them April babies cause they fools. And when they snooze, we up, feet up like a paraplegic. Or paraplegic. Or parallel park. And a red and yellow thing, old school Atlanta Hawk. Like I'm from College Park, but I'm from Holly Grove. Now all my blood screams soup woo and da-da-do. I know my rule, and I play it well, and I wear it well on my Libra scale. I suck a pussy, fuck a pussy, leave it there.
Long hair don't even
Young.
care.
I am him. Around the world now I'm back again. Who's been asking about me? In case you're wondering, I am him. Around the world now I'm back again. Who's been asking about me? In case you're wondering, yeah, I'm right here in my chair with my crown and my dear Queen Bee as I share my time with my ear. Young Carter, go farther, go further, go harder. Is that not why we came? And if not, then why bother? Show no mercy in Marcy and Lagers. I'm far from being the bastard that Marcy had fathered. Now my name's being mentioned with the martyrs, the Biggies and the Pocs and the Marleys and the Marcuses. Garvey got me a Molotov cocktail flow. Even if you box well, can't stop the blows. Kaboom, the rock boy in the room. The dope boy just came off the spoon. Also, I'm so fly, I'm on autopilot. What guys just stare at my wardrobe. I see euros, that's right, plural. I took so much change from this rap game, it's your goal.
It's my goal, yeah. And I'ma go so opposite of soft off the Richter. Hector, Camacho, man, Randy Savage. Far from average, above status quo. Flow, so pro. I know, I ride slow. And when I pass, they say, what up, killer, man? Stop bringing up my past. And next time you mention Pac, Biggie, or Jay-Z, don't forget Weezy, baby. Amen. I've been hustling. Hustling hard. Shit. And I swear to everything, when I leave this earth, it's gonna be on both feet. Never knees in the dirt. You can try me, fucker, but when I squeeze it hurt. Fine. We lose 2 lives, yours and mine. Give me any amount of time. Don't let Miss Carter grieve at the funeral parlor. Dripping tears down my sleeve. Give me any amount of time. Don't let Miss Carter grieve.
Story triple play yethu ke mnandi. The track on the background is by Lil Wayne featuring Jay-Z. Title of the song is Mr. Carter. Sikwamukele ke if usanda ngena, and thank you for choosing us. Mawusanda ngena ke, you are tuned into Folkross Online Radio. La sithi kona hashtag iza nendlebe, our weekend drive la sinilethela khona ke umculo omnandi nama information athize abheka emphakathini. Sifuna sikubukeke njengamanje ukuthi njengoba sasonke ukuthi ngomhla ka-16 March 2022 elinye lama-award Dr. Pixley Kayisaka Seme liya kuma-by election lapho ke liyokhetha khona upholi. So siyi-Folkross online radio sikhipha imemezelo esamema ama-candidates azobe eqhudelana kulolu khetho. Safaka ke i-APEMO, safaka i-ANC, safakela ne-EFF. Eqenjini lelodwa siyitholile impendulo ukuthi bazosinika ucandidate ukuba ke simupheke ngemibuzo siwumsakazo ukuthi yini ayiphethele umphakathi. Iqembu lesibili ke livumile nalo, kodwa lathi ke lizosiqokela lona umuntu ozolikhulumela ayi ucandidate. Elisithathu kwelichazile la ibeka nje futhi kwacaca ukuthi cha bebengazilungiselanga for a live interview, basazocela ke kwabaphethe ukuthi babaphe igunya. So umsakazo ke besihlelelele interview for umhla ka-14 la sizobabeka khona live bukhoma on our pages nakuzo zonke ke inkundla zethu zokuxhumana. La sizobe sibabuza khona siwumphakathi kunye nani ke lapho emakhaya ukuthi yini le abayiphethele abahlali basendaweni yase Ward 8, yiphi intuthuko or ikuphi la babona khona ukuthi cha makungangenelela kulungiswe 1 2 3 nomphakathi ungajabula. Kodwa ke sisalindile ke ama final respond from abaphathi or nalaba esibathumelele ama emails. Sizobe seke siyanazisa ukuthi ngomhla ka-14 sizobathola yini o candidate bese sihlala nabo ke bese sesiyayibhunga ke le ndaba ukuthi why basepalini, why basepalini lapho siyobanika khona ke one by one ukuthi ke bayichaza ukuthi mina ngisepalini ngoba ngifuna ukubona ukuthi emphakathini wakithi mina ngisepalini ngoba ngifuna ukubona ukuthi emphakathini wakithi. If you are just tuned in, you're tuned into Focus Online Radio. Sahleli naye uSakhile Sakhe Ngwenya, well known as Mr. Sounds of Soul.
Baby, look at me. Mama love you. And I know you ain't no little boy no more, but you'll always be my baby. It seems like only yesterday I was holding you in my arms. Now look at you now, big man. But I worry about you. I worry about you all the time. Hanging out on the corner all times of night with the cruel people. Baby, that ain't nothing but trouble. I always taught you that you could have whatever you dream. Well, I want you to hold on to that dream, baby. Hold on to it real tight, 'cause the sky's the limit.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tip of your melon, clear the space. Your brain was a terrible thing to waste. 88 on gates, snatch initial nameplates. Smoking splits with niggas, real life beginner killers. Praying God forgive us for being sinners. Help us out.
Sky is the limit and you know that you keep on, just keep on pressing on. Sky is the limit and you know that you can have what you want, be what you want. Sky is the limit and you know that you keep on, just keep on pressing on. Sky is the limit and you know that you can have what you want, be what you want, have what you want, be what you want.
After realizing to master enterprise and I ain't have to be in school by 10, I then began to encounter with my counterparts on how to burn the block apart. Break it down into sections. Drugs by these selections. Some use pipes, others use injections. Syringe sold separately. Frank the deputy, quick to grab my Smith & Wesson like my dick was missing. To protect my position, my corner, my layer. While we out here, say the hustler's prayer. If the game shakes me or breaks me, I hope it makes me a better man. Take a better stand, put money in my mom's hand. Get my daughter this college plan, so she don't need no man. Stay far from timid, only make moves when your heart's in it. And live the phrase, sky's the limit. Motherfucker, see you chumps on top.
Sky is the limit and you know that you keep on, just keep on pressing on. Sky is the limit and you know that you can have what you want, be what you want. Sky is the limit and you know that you keep on, just keep on pressing on. Sky is the limit and you know that you can have what you want, be what you want. Sky is the limit and you know that you keep on, just keep on pressing on. Sky is the limit and you know that you can have what you want, be what you want. Sky is the limit and you know that you keep on, just keep on pressing on. Sky is the limit and you know that you can have what you want, be what you want. If you will keep on pressing on. Sky is the limit and you know that you keep on, just keep on pressing on. Sky is the limit and you know that you can have what you want, be what you want.
Your kind of music, all day, all night, right here on your one and only station.
The station with the best music. Best music.
I love the music.
Best music.
Hey girl, ain't no mystery. At least making love between the sheets. Ooh, girl, I love you all night long. And I know you felt it coming on. Ooh, darling, just taste my love. Ooh, you taste so sweet. Sharing our love between the sheets. What's your fantasy? I'll take you there to that ecstasy. Ooh, girl, you blow me, baby. Feel your love surrounding me. Ooh, baby, making love between the sheets. Enough of this singing. Let's make love. All is well, 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 well.
Shake it up, Zanti!
Bet your life on be alive.
Vodacom is giving you lots of ways to shake and win your share of over 100 million rand in prizes. Move to summer. Move to SA's leading network.
You are listening to Volksrust Online Radio.
hottest DJ mixing the beats. Beats. Mixing the beats.
You are listening to Volkswagen Online Radio.
In your face, all over the place. We're online 24/7. You're listening to the hottest internet station.